Arlo smart home security products protect your home with wire-free HD weatherproof cameras. The new Arlo Pro 2 camera gives you all the benefits of the Arlo wire-free camera line, like excellent battery life and free cloud recordings, but with added features and flexibility. Arlo Pro 2 cameras monitor and record video in 1080p resolution, delivering crisp HD video that lets you zoom in with more detail while still maintaining great battery life. Want to see more? Just pinch to zoom in the Arlo app to highlight an area with incredible clarity. You can use Arlo Pro 2 wire-free cameras indoors, or you can take advantage of its weatherproof design and flexible power options like the Arlo solar panel to use it outdoors. When you plug your Arlo Pro 2 camera directly into a power outlet, you unlock a host of additional features. When it's plugged in, Arlo Pro 2 detects motion even faster by using the Look Back feature. Look Back processes and records captured video from moments before motion activity is detected. This creates a continuous recording with a few seconds of footage before the triggered event, giving you a complete picture of what happened. If you want to create a custom activity zone, plug the Arlo Pro 2 into an outlet and select the specific zones you want to monitor inside the app. You'll get notifications about any activity in that zone directly on your phone. When the Arlo Pro 2 is plugged in, you can subscribe to the Arlo CVR paid plan, which provides continuous 24/7 video, ensuring you never miss a moment. As a seamless part of your smart home experience, Arlo Pro 2 works with Amazon Alexa devices. Using your voice, you can ask Alexa to play a live stream of your cameras through the Amazon Echo Show or Fire TV that's connected to your big screen TV. For example, if you're busy and someone knocks on your door, Alexa, show me the front door camera. The Arlo Pro 2 camera instantly plays a live video feed on your Echo Show screen or TV, giving you a full view of what's going on in real time. Arlo Pro 2 is the convenient, easy-to-use home HD security camera that can be used wire-free or plugged in while providing smart features and crisp HD video. For more information on Arlo Pro 2 and the Arlo Smart Home Security System, visit arlo.com.
The Sonos home sound system fills every room of your home with incredible sound. Our Wi-Fi connected speakers let you listen to anything, in any room or every room. All through a single app that controls your entire home listening experience and brings all your music together in one place. You can even tune into your favorite radio station right from the app. To get started, plug in a speaker and connect to Wi-Fi. The app walks you through the rest and acts as a controller for your whole system. You can stream different songs to speakers in different rooms, group a few rooms to play the same song in sync, or play one song throughout your entire home. No matter what you're looking for, Sonos has a speaker for you. With Play One, you can enjoy big sound from a compact speaker. Pair two in one room for stereo sound, or put them in different rooms to cover more ground. The versatile Play 3 offers high performance, more bass, and rich stereo sound in a single speaker. For rooms where music matters most, Play 5 delivers a big sound that's more clear and detailed than anything you've heard before. Mount Play Bar on the wall or lay it down flat to unleash your TV sound and all the music you love. Or choose the super thin, surprisingly powerful Play Bass. Perfect for unmounted TVs, it blends into your living room. Sub gives you deep, pure bass. And when you put Play Bar and Sub in the same room, you get amazing 3.1 home theater. Then add two Play Ones to complete the ultimate 5.1 surround sound system. Let your vinyl collection loose with Connect. Hook it up to your analog equipment and it can do anything your Sonos speakers can do. Get a Connect amp to stream music to any wired speaker you already have. Sonos plays over your home Wi-Fi network, not your phone, so you get rock-solid wireless performance without dropouts or interruptions from phone calls, texts, or push notifications. All Sonos speakers work together, making it easy to build the system you want. Bring everything you listen to, your music library, streaming services, movies, vinyl, and more, together in one place. Because listening to music out loud makes life better. Sonos, the home sound system.
The next generation in home convenience. Have you ever forgotten to close your garage door or can't remember if you had closed the garage door? Next Garage will remind you. Need to let someone in your home but you are at work or somewhere else? Open your garage with Next Garage. Want to know who and when the garage door opened from 2 weeks ago? Find out with Next Garage. So what is Next Garage? Next Garage is a companion internet-enabled device to your existing garage door opener. It is compatible with the majority of garage door openers on the market. Next Garage device and mobile app allow you to remotely control our garage door opener from your smartphone, Amazon Echo device, or Amazon Alexa-enabled smartwatch. How does Next Garage work? When Next Garage is connected to our existing garage door opener, you will be able to use the Next Garage Android iOS app to control your garage door opener. The smart app securely communicates to the device, which in turn will activate your garage door opener. You can control your garage door opener in 3 ways. Tap, speak, drive. Tap. From the smartphone app, tap the garage door button icon. Speak. If you have an Amazon Echo device or Amazon Alexa enabled smartwatch, just speaking will allow you to activate your garage door, like Echo, Open Garage Door. Drive. You drive home and Next Garage will open your garage door when you are near. All these features and more are packed in a little device. Next Garage, the next generation of home convenience.